navigating the complex and ever-evolving landscape of the digital world can be daunting. With the rapid advancement of technology, individuals and organizations face an array of challenges from cybersecurity threats to data privacy concerns. Understanding the intricacies of the digital jungle is essential for individuals and organizations alike. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. With the rise of remote work and cloud services, businesses and individuals are more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Threats like ransomware, phishing, and distributed denial of service, that is DDoS attacks, can cripple operations, steal sensitive data, and cause financial and reputational damage. Organizations must implement strong firewalls, encryption methods, and multi-factor authentication. Regular software updates and employee training on recognizing threats are essential. Secondly, unauthorized access to personal or organizational data can lead to severe consequences, including identity theft, financial losses, and legal repercussions. The increasing use of personal data by businesses also raises concerns over how data is collected, stored, and shared. Staying compliant with privacy regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, that is GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, that is CCPA, is vital to ensure that data is managed responsibly. Transparency with customers about data usage and offering them control over their information is also critical. Thirdly, AI enhances productivity, streamlines operations, and improves decision-making across industries. However, it also introduces new challenges such as potential biases in AI algorithms and the risk of automation-induced job displacement. AI can also strengthen cybersecurity by identifying patterns of malicious activity in real time, providing faster threat detection and automating security responses. At the same time, while cloud computing offers flexibility and scalability, it also opens up new security challenges. Unauthorized access, data leaks, and loss of control over sensitive data are key concerns. Encryption, identity management, and compliance with industry security standards are necessary to safeguard cloud-stored data. Going forward, successfully navigating the digital landscape requires a proactive and informed approach to cybersecurity, data privacy, and emerging technologies. By staying vigilant, adhering to best practices, and fostering digital literacy, individuals and organizations can safeguard themselves from the many threats in the digital jungle. And by decoding the digital jungle, we can harness the power of technology while mitigating its risks. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple is in talks with Micron and Tata Group for sourcing chips worth $12 billion. Apple has started negotiations with Micron, the Tata Group, and other chip manufacturers, setting up plants in India for sourcing supplies worth $12 billion for the iPhones it produces in the country. The negotiations apparently are significant as Apple's requirement for semiconductors would touch $12 billion by 2026. By then, the tech giant would have shifted 26% of its global iPhone capacity to India. No single company would be able to rival Apple's spend on microchips made in India. Angela Zeppedo to join X as global head of marketing. Ex-CEO Linda Yaccarino has announced that the company had hired Angela Zeppedo as global head of marketing. This is the first time the post has been occupied ever since Tesla CEO and billionaire Elon Musk acquired the platform in late 2022 for $44 billion. Zepeda comes from Hyundai, where she spent 5 years as chief marketing officer and before that spent more than 2 decades in the world of advertising and communications agencies. L&T joins the semiconductor race with an investment of over $300 million. In a bid to push and build out a semiconductor industry in India, Larsen & Toubro Limited plans to invest more than $300 million to create a chip company. The Tech2 construction company will spend the money over 3 years to establish a fabless chip maker which designs and sells semiconductors but contracts out their production. It plans to design 15 products by the end of this year and start sales in 2027. Microsoft to build India's largest supercomputer with 8 exaflop. Microsoft and Mubadala-backed G42 will build India's largest supercomputer with 8 exaflops. The supercomputer can perform millions of trillion floating-point operations per second. G42 India CEO Manu Jain said that the company also unveiled a beta version of Hindi large language model called as Nanda, an artificial intelligence engine with which users can converse in Hindi, English and Hinglish, that is a mix of Hindi and English language. The name of the LLM has been derived from India's top mountain peak. Xiaomi India appoints Sudhin Mathur as Chief Operating Officer. Xiaomi India has appointed Sudhin Mathur as their new Chief Operating Officer. With Sudhin's appointment, Xiaomi India continues to strengthen its Indian leadership team to accelerate its business growth and innovation in the rapidly evolving technology landscape. Sudhin will be instrumental in shaping and executing the company's strategic vision, as well as crafting a roadmap to achieve the business goals and sustain the growth momentum of the brand. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.